Hi, what's your name and your age?
Hello, my name is Kyna and I'm 16.
Okay, Kyna, do you want to tell me a bit about your project?
Yep, so my project is about testing and comparing antifungal medications to natural remedies. So I wanted to test the efficacy of different natural remedies like garlic, castor oil, and coconut oil against fungal infections of yeast.
And how did you come up with this idea specifically?
Well, I think medication is something that's very important, and like people around the world should have access to it. And unfortunately, that's not what happens right now. So while like it's still being worked on to like build the healthcare like situations around the world, it's important to have some alternatives that people can like fall back on.
And how long have you been working on the project?
I've been working on this project for about 2 months before the final hand-in. Yeah, and I needed some time for the actual experiments and stuff.
And is this the first time you're competing in Jonk Fuerscher?
No, this is my second year competing.
And are you still doing the same project, or is it a completely different one this year?
It's completely different.
And how do you feel after talking to the jury? Are you like still nervous? Are you chill?
I think I'm pretty chill. I think went quite well. They offered some good feedback, and it was nice.
And so what do you know now? You can use coconut oil to heal some things, or is it happening?
Coconut oil, not so much. I found the garlic was the best for yeast infections.
A Moroccan mom would love to hear that. All right. And do you keep on do you plan on keeping the work up and still like working on it, or is this over after the class?
So next week, actually, I'm going to be doing a similar experiment, but with bacteria instead of fungus.
Thank you so much.